So I'm gonna go ahead and look for the cherry ones. Here they go. And I'm just gonna drop some cherries in there. Okay. So just kind of just drop them in there. Okay, I just dropped like a few at a time. Some of them stuck to the sides, and that's what I was talking about, how if you get castor oil, they'll kind of like glue up on the sides. So it's just something for you to try. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my syringe and pull some more in there. Okay. Alright, and I just watch it and make sure, because it moves so fast. You'll be surprised. You'll look up and it's already full. Okay, there you go. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just put a top on it. It's just as simple as that. So these are really good and easy to make when you're selling them. Okay, so here's the limeade one I made. You can see the lemons and limes kind of moving around in there, and I just think that is just too cute. So I made a banana, I made the limeade, and I made the cherry. Okay, and I still got some left over, so I can fill up about a good 10 of them with the recipe that I provided, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like, give it a thumb up, and I will see you again for the next video. All right.